Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9th. Hope you are doing well. I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and you are taking online virtual class organized by Metropolitan School. So today we are going to do activity for you which is on page number 34, unit 2.2. We have a student for you here for performing a wonderful activity. Now I have written some questions on the board and these students will answer me one by one. Fine. So how are you?
Good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Okay. So today we are going to do an activity in which I will ask questions about social nature. Okay? About social nature. Okay. Let's see question number 1 which I have written for you on the board. What are some harmful things that people eat, drink and smoke? Yes, Lare, what do you think? What are harmful things that people eat, drink and smoke?
Betel nuts, wine and cigarettes.
Okay, I'm writing your answer on board. Betel nuts. Yes. Other? Wine. And?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes. Very nice, Larib. Yes. Now your turn. Arisha, what do you think? How does these harmful things affect their physical health?
The use of betel nuts can cause mouth cancer. And
Okay. Use of betel nuts
can cause
can cause?
mouth cancer
Yes, you're right. Mouth cancer?
and tooth decay.
Yeah, sure. Tooth decay? Yes. And what about wine?
I guess they can cause heart attacks
Yeah, wine can cause heart attack.
and might be loss of memory.
Yeah, both answers are right. Can heart attack? And loss of
Memory.
memory. Very nice. Now, my next question is, yes, Larif, you will answer this question, okay? So, how does their uses affect the relationships of their friends and other people?
The drug addicted person easily adopt the bad habit.
Yeah, you're right. Addicted person easily
Adopt the bad habit.
adopts bad habits like,
Like abuse language.
yes, number 1, abusive language. Okay.
Tell a lie.
Tell me any other one.
Tell a lie.
Yes, you're right. Tell a lie. And yes, number 3rd is anyone more? Sorry?
To deceive.
Yeah, to deceive. Very nice, Larib. Yes, my next question is, what do you think? How does their use affect their family life? Yes, Arisha.
Ma'am, I guess they defame their family.
Yeah, definitely. They defame their family.
On or off.
Okay, your answer is absolutely right. If they have adopted such activities, if they are using such harmful things, so they will defame their families. Okay, my last question. Okay, Larib, you will answer this question. Okay, suppose how does the cost of these things cost? These things are very costly, okay, and these things are not available everywhere, okay. So people affects lifestyle of people or not? What do you think?
The person spends all money for purchasing such harmful things.
Okay.
He does not think about his or her life.
Yeah, spends addicted person, okay? Addicted person,
He spends all money for purchasing such
addicted
harmful
person spend lot of money, okay? Spends lot of money on it.
things. For purchasing such harmful things.
Yeah, on it, and its affect their lifestyle.
Exactly.
Its affects their lifestyles. Fine, you have done very good job and you have participated in this activity very nicely. Okay, then have you written these answers in your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, so have you enjoyed, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you. Yes, so this was the activity which is on page number 34. We have performed for you here in a practical way. So you can learn the harmful effects of these things. You can learn how these things are harmful for people, for us also. Okay, it means these harmful things like betel nuts, wines and cigarettes affects us in a different way. For example, as they have given me the answer, use of betel nut can cause mouth cancer and tooth decay, and wine can cause heart attack and loss of memory. Next, how does their use affect their relationships? So, any addicted person can easily adopt bad habits. So, bad habits, which bad habits? Abusive language, tell a lie or to deceive somebody. Fine, obviously he will defame his family, her family as well, and also affects his lifestyle. If you talk about a person's lifestyle, so it will come that an addicted person spends his or her lot of money on purchasing such type of things, and obviously he will avoid his lifestyle. He and she will avoid his lifestyle. So thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Now we are going to study about essay. You know all very well about essay writing. But now today I am going to introduce a new type of essay with you, which is compare and contrast essay writing. Fine, and my topic is autumn and spring. So compare and contrast essay writings have three basic parts. Number one is introductory body, number two comparing, and number three concluding paragraphs. Now I am going to explain you how can you write introduction. In introduction, suppose we have a topic autumn and spring. There are 4 seasons in a year. We have 4 seasons in a year. So I am going to write an introduction about seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. In many parts of the world, the arrival of these 2 seasons is celebrated in different ways. As you can see on the board, I have written some lines about the essay topic. It means I have these 2 seasons. So that is why I am writing in introduction about the seasons of the year. In introduction, I have written line on seasons in a year, because my topic is related to the seasons. Okay, first you need to catch the topic body, the topic subject. Fine, then you can write easily introduction related to the topic. Now come on the second part, which is comparing. Now we have 2 things here, autumn and spring. These are 2 different seasons. Number 1 is spring and number 2 is autumn. I will start writing the comparing part by writing few lines. First of all, on any, you can take any of them before. For example, I have taken spring first. Fine. Spring is the time of the year when the weather is considered as cool period. It is considered as a cool period of a year. So I have given some details about the spring season in the comparing paragraph. Now come on autumn. Autumn on the other hand give the signal that summer is over. In this lines I have give introduction about the autumn season. Now these are the comparing lines. So in comparison you need to write details about topic. Okay, now we are going to the last part, which is concluding paragraphs. As I have written for you on the board, all in all, spring gives the signals that winter has ended. Here I have written something about spring, and then I am going to compare it with autumn season. And autumn gives the signal that summer is over. Now in the concluding paragraph, concluding paragraphs, we need to compare both the seasons, spring and autumn. We have two seasons here, okay? It's one which is spring, second one is autumn. So in the concluding paragraphs, we need to compare both seasons with each other, as I have written. Okay, first I have written some lines. Spring gives the signals and winter has ended. And in the next lines I have give comparison of autumn. Autumn gives the signal that summer is over. It means we are comparing both seasons with each other. Okay, so by using these three steps, you can easily write compare and contrast essay on any topic. You can take any topic for practice, okay, like winter and summer season. For example, summer and winter. Take this topic, okay, and follow these three parts, these three steps, and you can write compare and contrast essay on this topic easily. So hope you guys have enjoyed this information, and Allah Hafiz, take care.